create this text effect, start by visiting Pinterest. I recommend using the app for a better experience. Open the Pinterest app and search for A to Z text effect. You'll see a variety of text styles. Scroll until you find one you like. Click on it and download the image. Now, go to ChatGPT and upload the image you just downloaded. Use the prompt provided in the description. It says, describe this image in detail and make it as a general prompt so I can use it for any other letters. Give it to me without your words, just the prompt. After a moment, ChatGPT will generate a new prompt. You can then ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in your own words or modify it as you like. I will type my last name, Alyousfi. Once you're happy with the prompt, copy it by long pressing on it. Next, head over to the Krea AI website and select the Generate Images option. Choose the aspect ratio that fits your needs, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. The website works incredibly fast, delivering high-quality results almost instantly. Take a look at the images. It's amazing how well they turn out. To animate the image, use Kling AI. Click on AI videos and select Frames. Make sure to use version 1.6 for the best results. Upload your generated image. Switch to professional mode for higher quality. Scroll up and type dynamic motion. Then click Generate. After a short wait, the AI will process your request. The result is truly stunning. It feels like magic. Just think about how much time and computing power it would take to achieve this in Blender. Now, let's repeat the same process with 2 other text styles to prove that this method works with any design you choose. I will do it very fast and show you the results. Choose an image from the Pinterest app. Download it. Go to ChatGPT. Upload the image. Paste my prompt. Ask ChatGPT to make the prompt for your chosen word. Copy the prompt. Go to the Krea AI website to generate the image. At the end, I will animate it using the Kling AI website. And here's the results.